All right, everyone. Welcome back to the second in a series of videos about Authrite use cases. In this one, I'm going to be talking about Joelle. So Joelle is the owner of the MetaNet ICU, which is a membership club where club members can interact and send and receive messages. And it's also a web shop where people can buy and sell things. So he wants to provide a way for club members to prove their membership to potential buyers, even if, say, those potential buyers might be outside the club or something like that. So Joelle decides to use Authrite to issue certificates attesting to club membership. Joelle starts by following the Authrite Certifier tutorial, which you can find on the Project Babbage website. And so he installs the Authrite Express NPM package to create an Authrite responder in his web shop. So Joelle configures the responder to issue certificates attesting to membership in the MetaNet ICU club. To issue a certificate to a club member, the club member is going to log into the MetaNet ICU website and make a request for an Authrite certificate. Joelle's Authrite responder verifies the user's identity using their Babbage identity key, which the member had previously registered using the MetaNet client automatically during this process. And so once the user's identity is confirmed, the Authrite responder is going to issue an Authrite certificate attesting to the user's membership in the MetaNet ICU club. Now, when a user wants to prove their membership to a potential buyer or to anyone else outside the club, they provide the buyer with their Authrite certificate, and the buyer can then verify the certificate by checking that it's been issued by Joelle's Authrite responder using digital signatures, and verify that it's still valid. So within the MetaNet ICU shop, potential buyers can verify the legitimacy of sellers who list items. And if a seller provides an Authrite certificate attesting to their membership in the MetaNet ICU club, a buyer can verify the certificate to confirm that the seller is actually part of the club, right? And that the membership status has been verified by Joelle. So this gives buyers more confidence in the legitimacy of the seller, and that's going to increase the sales and overall satisfaction within the MetaNet ICU's shop. So this is just a video to talk about a potential Authrite use case that could be discussed in more detail. However, this is actually in the works. From what we understand, being implemented. So hopefully in the future, this is something that people can actually use. And I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, here's an Authrite use case, another one. And the last one we talked about ABC Bank and gave a little introduction to Authrite. So if you haven't checked that one out, I recommend it. And if you want to learn more about Authrite, if you're interested in potentially integrating it with a web shop or with any other use case for authentication without passwords, definitely check out the other videos and check out the documentation on projectbabbage.com. You can go to the little learn button on the top and you can see Authrite in there. Read all about it, the concepts, how it works. You got tutorials for building an Authrite certifier, verifying certificates, lots of stuff on the website. More and more is coming out every day. So thanks for sticking with us. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing what you guys think of this potential use case for the Authrite mutual authentication system.